going on, everybody? Welcome back to a new video. Sorry, I was just using my phone to start the camera because I thought I'd try something different. So, what's going on, everybody? Welcome back to a new video. So, I'm here in the bushy area near where I live. It's been a while since I made a video. Actually, no, I lie. Last video I made was at QR, but today we're going to be doing something different. So, this here is my 3-inch stainless steel turbo intake. Obviously, turbo this end, air cleaner, and airflow meter at this end. Now, I've always wanted to know whether there's actually a note difference between, say, aluminium, stainless, titanium, or copper. I do know that if anyone obviously watches YouTube and watches drifting, if anyone knows the bloke named Jason Ferrin, on his old R31 JZ wagon, he actually had I'm pretty sure a big piece of brass tubing, which obviously, you know, made an absolutely awesome sound, because I'm going to say it's something to do with the actual what the brass is made of. So the reverberating noise on the inside of the tube was, you know, awesome. If I can find the video, I'll put it in the link below. But what I'm doing today, yeah, guys, is make a comparison video. So this is just one I made, I think maybe 2 years ago when I first put the car together. So this is literally just like 345s with a bit of a barb on it for the engine breather. So this works really well, gives a really nice note. Obviously it has a nice flow to it, so go away, you bastard. Has a nice flow to it. So I was talking to my mate David Spann, who runs 180 Fab, and I just asked him, have you got any aluminium tube that I could borrow or just have really to make a dose pipe, because I would obviously love to make a comparison video. So at the moment I've got the 3-inch aluminium in the car at the moment running. So what I was going to do is put you guys in the engine bay near the turbo intake, obviously near the filter, and we'll get like a sound comparison. So I drove it from home to here already, and the sound difference, I don't know if there's a massive sound difference, but it sounds like it's a little bit deeper and quite much more, the dose is a bit more louder. So anyway, I'll take you guys off the little GoPro stand over there and chuck in the engine bay, and yeah, we'll go from there. But first of all, I should have showed you first before I said we'll go from there. So first of all, bonnet. So what I've got at the moment is just a big bit of 3-inch. Obviously you can see the turbo down there. Just a big bit of 3-inch aluminium. The engine breather is obviously not plugged in. I don't have any blow-by regardless, because I can put my finger in there and she comes out dry. So I don't have any blow-by, so I could almost just take that off and get rid of that for now. But I obviously only put that there just to keep it, somewhat legal. So in comparison to the 3-inch stainless one, which is this, obviously this would come out. And if you've watched my videos previously, the air cleaner was actually sitting just here. So the only thing that's changed is the trajectory of the air intake itself, which is obviously just down to the right. Where this one, it would actually kind of sweep itself in. So yeah, I'm going to put the GoPro maybe somewhere around here or at the back there, but I don't know. Somewhere it's obviously not going to get damaged. So anyway, guys, I'll put you guys in their car and yeah, we'll go from there. Okay guys, so that was obviously the aluminium one. I just had this zip tied here, so I'm really hoping that that the quality, I know for everybody, including headphone users, wasn't actually that bad. Because I kind of expected, if I was to get on gate, which I didn't, it'd be ear piercing. Because I remember when I tried to do a video just like this, just to get the dose noise, I had just some cheap shitty like stereo microphone that ran pretty much from where my GoPro was sitting inside the cab where I normally have it, to sitting like, just say like right here, and it was crap. So fingers crossed that the GoPro sounds good. Sorry if there's any muffling on the microphone, because I actually kind of forgot the dead cat. The dead cat's like that big fluffy sock thing that goes on my microphone. So anyway, I'm gonna quickly swap out the intake back for the stainless steel one. So all I need to do is pretty much undo that hose clamp there, and the hose clamp that I've got rolled around here for the airflow meter. So I'll undo that, move that out of the way, and then swap the intake hose out, and then yeah, we'll go from there. Just kidding, flag that. I actually left the screwdriver like down there. So anyway, we'll go for another drive again. I'll get the screwdriver and then we can do this. Yeah. So first of all, I'll undo the air cleaner. The worst part about aluminium is that it's I can't remember the terminology. It's been a while since I've talked about metals. I'm pretty sure it's a non-ferrous metal, so it's quite thin. You can hear like the sound difference between the aluminium and the stainless, but it attracts heat a lot worse than say mild steel or stainless steel. So there's always, you know, like a fight, say, should I do my intercooler piping in steel or aluminium or whatever. Look, it's personal preference, but aluminium heat soaks a lot more compared to say stainless steel or mild steel. But if I do intercooler piping, I'm going to do aluminium. I've got an intercooler I've got to put on my Land Cruiser, and obviously all my piping is going to be 2.5 inch stainless, aluminium, so that'll be coming up soon. That's another video I'm going to do. So anyway, I've got the 3 inch pipe out. It's just like a second-hand piece of tube with a what's it called, a bead. Put a bead on the end, but no bead on this end because I was going to actually make a little bit more to this, so it'd come out a little bit further. But anyway, so I'll get the stainless steel one, and yeah, we'll put this one on. These have got to be the same way, otherwise I get really upset if things aren't the same, they don't match. Okay, so stainless steel intake's on. So see obviously the differences of what I was talking about. So with the aluminium one, the intake cleaner sits up here, and obviously it's, you know, got a bit more of a zigzag. Obviously still the same, so Z32 airflow meter, Apexi intake, except stainless steel versus the piece of aluminium down there. So I'll put the GoPro back in the same spot right about here, and then yeah, we'll see the sound difference, and hopefully you guys can agree which one sounds better. Okay guys, so that last clip you just saw just then was with the stainless steel intake, which is obviously this one here. Obviously the zigzag style one, and the previous clip before that was the aluminium one. So from watching the video clips back just then, I think I'm going to start with the aluminium one. It's got a little bit more of a deeper dose, and it sounds like it doses quicker than the stainless steel intake. So I'm probably going to, obviously, you know, take the stainless one out and put in the aluminium one. So I was kind of thinking I might do a little bit of a giveaway when I say get to, I don't know, 400 subscribers. I think I'm at like 373. So if you watch the video this far, make sure you hit the subscribe button, and when I get to 400, I'll give that intake pipe away. So it'll be something good for me to do. I'll, you know, give back to the community that helps me. So anyway, I'm gonna probably wrap the video up here, but what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna switch the intake back to the aluminium one, and I'll put the camera in the car with the microphone on, because I don't know, actually we'll go to the car, see if you can see my reflection. So I don't know if you can see very well, but yeah, there you go. There's my GoPro, obviously in this little case. I got a little handheld and my microphone on top. So the fluffy cats thing is supposed to go on the top of that, which is today. So sorry if you get a little bit of wind noise. But anyway, guys, yeah, I'll put the intake back, put you in the car, and that'll be the video today. So if you haven't already, guys, I know I just said it already, but please give me a like, hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you again really soon. I got videos planned and they're coming soon. Thank you, bye.